two different features to show you today. They're both Java related, or I should say JVM related, because you can run so many different languages on JVM. Anyways, I've been out of the Java ecosystem for many years, and there's this really interesting proposal that has swept through in the past couple of years called virtual threads, and I think it's going to be a game changer for the JVM. And I wanted to show you how it works in the Nanos kernel, and then also show you something else. You'll see on this right-hand side, we have a new PR here in Nanos about implementing fair scheduling. What we found was, one thread would boot up and it'd be dedicated to JIT compilation. And without giving it kind of like more or less equal time, we found that it was kind of slow down. But when we adjusted that, and we gave the JIT compilation more time, we were able to boot the JVM a lot faster than just stock Linux. And this is like tested on a G1 small on Google Cloud. So anyways, let's get into it. Let's go back to our shell. So we got your basic hello world class, right? It says yo, and then it has this thread, start virtual thread. And so the way to think about these things is that they're not mapped one-to-one with normal kind of system level threads. Basically, you can multiplex them on, and basically you can spin up tons of these things. There's other similar things in other languages like Erlang, for instance, and many other languages. But I think this is just a kick-ass thing for the JVM to have because it's going to revitalize a lot of things. So anyway. Back to the thing. The Java version that we're using, I just downloaded this. It was a 19 Loom. So specifically 19.6.625. Our config JSON. You have to enable this enable preview, and then there's also this like -- release 19 that you can give it depending on the features that you're using. I didn't put that in here, but we basically say, hey, we want to run our hello world. Here's the class, yada yada. So we got that, and we can go ahead and run it because I went ahead and made a little package for us just to kind of show this off. It's .6.625. So yeah, I'll show you that real quick. So obviously this is the package hub for repo, right? And we have Java, so iBreak Java. You can see there's a couple different packages here, 1.8, 9.06. So we're going to click on 1916.2. We got the page. Yeah, this is all good. So it shows you how to load it. We'll go back here, and we go ahead and pass it our config. Let's do that. We don't forget. All right. So loads it up, executes it, says inside thread, and it's done. So that was pretty fast loading. But let me show you another little trick that that I don't think we've showed off before, and it's this Nanos version, right? So we do Nanos version, and we go back to this incognito window. I wonder why it's incognito. All right, so there's a way to specify PRs that are sitting around. So sometimes PRs sit around for like a week or whatever. We're a small team. We don't have a ton of time to review everything immediately. So if you're wanting to try stuff out, new features, new bugs, stuff like that, what we do is we cut Nanos releases of different PRs. So we have like 4 PRs right now that are waiting. And we'll stuff every single commit of these PRs into a bucket, a build of it, and we'll keep it there for like 20 or 30 days. I forgot which one. So what you can do is you can take this this git commit hash, and you can just paste it in to use this to use this release. And this particular release basically makes it boot a lot faster. And so if you don't have it, it'll go ahead and download it really fast, right? And then you can use it. And this basically makes it to where you don't have to build Nanos yourself, which is great if you're not used to building it. But just to show you, we got 0.13, 0. Yada yada, and here's our 684. And so, it looks like just like every other release out there. And you can see I just downloaded it today. We got the boot, the EFI, the kernel, and the klibs. So yeah, 2 new Java features. We got virtual threads. We got the Nanos version that might be new, and then we also have that faster booting than Linux, the JVM. Till next time, catch you later. Bye.